Good morning, everyone! Welcome to our Jumpstart add-on. This is the second and the last part of our Jumpstart. Here, you will learn how to prospect, present, close, follow up, and sell out events. You will also be introduced with our road to financial freedom. You will learn the 4 steps on how to get there. And finally, you will meet Lisa, our friend and partner to our GMD journey. Yes, you are not alone here. You will have fun doing this business. If you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. I am excited. So, are you ready to learn? Yes or yes? Yes. Okay. Yes or yes? Welcome to our Jumpstart add-on. The group session does not substitute the one-on-one jumpstart. So here with me is my new sign-up, Marco Aradillos. How are you, Marco?
Hello, I'm good. Ikaw po, GMD, kumusta po kayo?
Okay lang, great. Excited ako sa natin, training. No, kasi tapos na tayo nag-jumpstart basic, ngayon naman, jumpstart add-on. So, let's start with our team advocacy. Build your assets and never have to work again. So here, we're not building not just our career, but our assets. Kasi alam mo, kasi kung career lang, napaka-risky because of 2 reasons. First, if career, so many companies are closed now, di ba? And you're not sure anymore. Companies come and go talaga. Tapos yung pangalawang reason dyan, bakit risky? So if the company is there, what if the body is sick or tired? Wala rin. Napaka-risky talaga if building career lang. So here, building asset tayo and it's always there yung asset natin to work for us. At hindi ka ma-fire out, no? Kasi unless you fire yourself because this is your company. Diba? Maganda yan, Marco, building asset.
Yes, super ganda, GMD.
Yeah. So the best option to build asset kasi they thought yung asset natin dito is bahay or maraming pera, but hindi muna, no? Yung asset natin dito is network marketing with the franchising system. And I love network marketing kasi social equalizer to. So meaning without this, no, parang it's hard for ordinary people to get rich. That's why Les Brown said, di ba sabi niya yung sa natin sa NDSO, na this industry has created more millionaires than any other industry in the history of the world. Wow! So mas maraming milyonaryo dito. So next slide please. So may tanong ka so far, Marco?
Question, in this business, what if may mga downlines na ayaw nila mag-training, gusto nila retail lang. So paano 'yun?
Pag ganun, if you have people like that, siguro hindi mo na conduct yung build your asset guide. So, present mo yung build your asset, baka hindi lang yan nakita na retailing is just icing of the cake. Building network is the cake. So, yun, present mo yung asset building guide. Okay ba yon?
Okay, 'yun pala. Okay.
Yeah, ganon gawin mo. So, next slide tayo. So, question, so yung natin dito, yung asset natin, kasi wala pa tayong millions, network natin of users and distributors. Kasi nga, di ba, yung products are distributed through network of distributors. So, wala kasi lang wholesaler retailer. So, tayo, yung natin, yung asset natin is yung network. So, ang question is, how do we create a strong, solid, and stable network para strong, solid, and stable yung asset natin? So, ang answer dyan, must have a system to follow and people to work with the system. So, meron tayong formula dito, Marco. No? Network, para strong yung network mo, it has to have a system and people. So, dalawa yung job description natin dito. The first one is finding your 6. No? Dapat 6 para mag 1 million per month ka using the system. That's the first job description, Marco, ha? Finding 6 using the system. And hindi lang yan, no? Pangalawa na job description is teaching each of the 6 to find their 6 also using the same system. So alam mo naman ngayon kung anong job description mo.
Yes, alam na, GMD.
Okay, so dalawa lang yan. So ang formula dito, next slide, network equals system plus people. Dito, Marco, kasi bago ka pa, ano lang talaga to, system, system, system. Di ba, narinig mo yan na is not what you do but what duplicates, kasi yung duplication is in the system. Kasi alam mo, yung hard work has already been done and mastered, no? And uplines are eager to share the system kasi ano na talaga yan, no? Made up na talaga yan. So do not reinvent the wheel. So yung system natin dito, Jumpstart, which is the skills, then STP, show the plan, which is the action, then NDESO, new distributor success orientation, the mindset, and the counseling is the mastery. So yan ang system natin. Tapos, how do you find your 6 people? We'll be using the PNB Finder cycle. So let's start with product order. So wala kasing business pag walang product. Then i-jumpstart natin kung nag-order na sila ng product. Tapos, yun, pwede na kayo mag 2-in-1 presentation, tawag dyan STP. 5 to 10 times lang yan. So beyond 5 to 10 times, expected na yung bago, marunong na siya. Tapos within 5 to 10 times, kasi meron na yung mga rejections, given na yan sa business, meron tayong mindset training, which is the NDSO. Tapos, yan, follow-up, very important. Yung pinipresentahan natin, i-follow up natin. So, kung mag-product order siya, yun, lagay mo yan sa cycle, no? Ano yan lang yan, ikot-ikot, until you find your 6. So, ano talaga dito? Persistency. So, kailangan mo ng vitamins. Meron tayong vitamins dito, Ruta. No, R, read books, watch positive videos, use product, T, talk upline, be with us, positive people, and A, attend functions, events. So, yun lang, Marco, yung ano mo, ano mo talaga, no? Isip mo yan, no? I-remember mo palagi na network, strong network equals system plus people. Ano ba? Okay ba so far?
Yes, okay na okay.
Yes, yun lang, intro lang yun, no? So ano na tayo, Jumpstart Workshop Add-on. Ready ka na ba?
Yes, ready.
Okay, so here, kasi professional network builder tayo, meron tayong 7 skills na ma-learn dapat as a professional network builder. So yan, prospecting, making appointment, presentation, closing, follow-up, game plan interview, and promote events. Sa ano kasi, sa basic, tapos na tayo sa making appointment, tsaka product follow-up, tsaka game plan interview. So ngayon naman, ang i-tackle natin dito sa add-on is the prospecting, the presentation, the closing, the business follow-up, tsaka promote events. No? So these are the 7 skills, and ito yung skills, Marco, that will make us professional. No? Alam mo ba, Marco, that there are 3 types of distributor?
Ano yung 3?
Yan, ang first type is yun, mga posers. I hope hindi ka posers kasi mga posers, they treat this business like a lotto. Parang ano ba, they will try to talk to 3 to 5 people. So if they're not interested, yung 3 to 5 people, yun, mag-quit na sila. Parang naghanap lang talaga sila ng lucky break ng ano, no, ng isang tao na mag-do sa business. Yung pangalawang type, amateurs. Ito naman yung amateurs, these people do it with no skills, purely excitement lang, purely emotion lang. They just go with the motion. Yes, there's an excitement. And yes, it is the excitement that gets you started. But it's the system that keeps you going. Kasi nga, ano talaga to, persistency. Yun ang amateurs. Tapos yung third, professionals. I know professional ka, Marco. No? Itong professional naman, they have the excitement at the start and they learn the skills to keep it going. And you know what? If you marry excitement with skills, the world is yours. Parang ang bilis lang ng pag-build mo ng network dito. So ano ka ba dyan? Poser, amateur, professional?
Goal ko talaga maging professional network builder.
Yes, dapat lang professional talaga kasi professional network builder tayo dito. No, career talaga to. Okay, next slide tayo. So ito yung first ano natin, skill, prospecting. And there are 4 types of prospecting. Working prospect, waiting prospect, door knocking prospect, at saka referral prospect. So far, may question ka ba, Marco?
Yeah, actually may question ako regarding nitong prospecting. So actually, one of the reasons kung bakit ayaw ng friends ko is naubos kaagad yung list of people nila. So paano yun? Dito ba yun ma-adjust natin through prospecting?
Yes, tama yun. Alam mo, what is nice about our business? We don't need a lot of friends. Kasi lahat market natin, no? As long as they are breathing, we are breathing, yan prospect natin kasi they're taking in body pollution. So detox yung product natin, no? So unlike kasi sa insurance o sa real estate, kailangan talaga may extra money yung prospect natin, pero dito lahat prospect natin. So we have to build this skill, this prospecting. Kasi nga, yun, lahat market natin. And also, we don't need much friends kasi this is not convincing, no? But asking question lang talaga to, asking question. Diba? Ang dali ng business. Kasi, example, Marco, nasa elevator ka and you need, you need to know what time is it. Tapos, wala kang watch. Tapos, may kasama ka sa elevator na, may watch siya. So, anong gagawin mo?
Tanong ko siya yung time.
'Di ba? So, yun, no? Magtatanong ka lang. So, kahit kilala or hindi kilala, friend or not friend, yun, magawa mo yung business kasi this is all about asking question. This is not about convincing. Pero alam mo ba, Marco, na anong makapag-desperate sa mga distributor?
Ano yun? Naubusan ng prospect?
Yes, tama ka. Kasi yung list of people nila, siguro sila amateur or poser, 10 lang yung tao nila, tapos na-reject na sila sa 9, tapos yung ikaw na lang yung nag-iisang natitira. So, syempre, maging desperate ka talaga. But you know what? If you know how to do prospecting, you have the ability to collect and select. So, napaka-powerful na skill talaga to, yung prospecting na to. Okay? So, yan, no? Next slide tayo. Actually, may mga prospecting tools tayo no? So, kasi this is really worldwide business, global yung business natin. So, dapat meron kang calling card. Meron ka na bang calling card?
Wala pa. Saan ba ako pwede makakuha nito ng magandang calling card?
Sige, ano ko sa'yo later. Ipakita ko sa'yo. Tapos, ID. Itong ID naman, no, nasa to, maganda to, nasa PVC to. So, lagyan mo lang ng picture yun, no, tapos i-print. So, standard yan. No, and since we're global business, so yun, we should have global tools. And if you found it na mahal, alam mo, you have an employee mindset kung namahalan ka dito. Kasi, kung talaga okay lang sa'yo na mag-invest dito, yun, business owner mindset ka. So always remember business mo to. No? Ikaw yung CEO sa business mo. Okay, dapat may mga tools ka. Okay, so next slide tayo. Okay, so na tayo? Prospecting na tayo. No? Ang goal natin dito, Marco, is to get the name and contact number. No, yun ang prospecting getting the name and contact number. Kasi kung nagbigay ka lang ng brochure, hindi ka nakakuha ng name and contact number, yun, no? Hindi ka successful sa prospecting. Or nagbigay ka lang, nag-smile ka lang, tapos walang name and contact number, wala din, no? Or ikaw lang yung nagbigay ng name at contact number mo, pero hindi mo nakuha yung name and contact number niya, so wala rin yan, no? So, yun, yan, Marco. So far, may question ka ba?
Paano to yung working prospect if marami akong errands sa day ko? Anong gagawin ko? Parang wala akong time nito.
Yun nga, no? Yung mga tao, ayaw nila kasi wala silang time, no? Actually, kaya nga sila walang time kasi they have a job, no? Sa job kasi or sa employment, sila yung nag-adjust sa job nila. So, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. talaga yan. So, ikaw yung nag-adjust sa trabaho mo. Pero sa lifestyles, ang maganda dito, ang lifestyles ang mag-adjust, no? Like, ikaw, no? Ano bang mga activities mo for tomorrow?
Well, bukas, kailangan ko pupunta sa mall para bibili ng ink at saka kailangan din ako pupunta sa car wash para malinis yung kotse ko.
Okay. So yan, no? Diyan tayo magpo-prospecting. So maganda, 'di ba? Yung ang lifestyle ang mag-adjust sa schedule natin. So ready ka na ba? Ipakita ko sa iyo 'to paano gagawin 'yan.
Yes, paano po?
Sige. So next slide tayo. May script tayo diyan eh. Sige.
Okay.
Okay, so pwede basahin mo yung natin, script natin, prospecting script.
Okay, so working prospect guides. Do not explain. Just get the name and contact number. Remember, the prospect is working. opening topic, situational, like I noticed so many people today paying or eating, etc. Make your conversation quick because again they are working. When you proceed to your business opportunity, starts with you. By the way, can I ask you a question? Prospect. Yes, sure. You. Have you heard about leveraging? Prospect. What is that? You. This is our asset building program, but you are still busy. Here is my calling card with our Facebook page. What is your number so I can text you updates? Is it Sun or Globe? Goal, get the name and contact number.
Okay, so yung goal talaga sa prospecting, yung name at saka contact number. So, dito natin i-apply yung pagbili mo ng ink, no? So, yan. Ano dito? Ano ka? Ikaw yung distributor or ikaw yung prospect? Ano yung natin, scenario natin dito?
Siguro prospect muna. Para nakita mo paano gawin yung prospecting.
Sige. Okay, so yung scenario natin, kasi bibili ka ng ink, so ikaw yung sales boy ba yung tawag niya? Ikaw yung sales clerk.
Grabe
Yeah.
naman. Clerk.
Sales clerk ka, no? Tapos pupunta ako doon, bibili ako ng ink, no? So yan, no? So ready? Camera, action.
Okay.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you today?
Yeah, Marco. Saan ba dito yung ink?
Yung ink na sa likod po, ma'am. Kailangan niyo ba ng tulong?
Yeah, pwede ba? Iano mo ako kasi hindi ako masyadong inuutos lang to, hindi ako masyadong familiar sa mga ink. Saan ang ink dito sa Ink daw sa printer yung kailangan.
Okay. Sige. Tingnan natin sa likod.
Yung ano bang magandang brand dyan na yung hindi nauubos na ink? Meron bang ganyan?
Ma'am, sorry po. Wala po kami ganyan na brand. Baka malugi kami kung hindi yan nauubos.
I'm sure magsasara kayo kung may ink kayong ganyan, no?
Oo nga eh.
So, ito ba yon? Ito yung maganda, yung Epson na ink?
Yes, yung HP DeskJet Epson. Ito talaga yung pinakamagandang ink. High quality to, ma'am.
Oh, wow, ang galing mo magbenta. Ganon ka talaga, yun? May ba kayo dito? May commission na ganon? Or mga extra?
Wala naman, ma'am. Pero ganon lang talaga ako na tao na nagbibigay talaga ng
Extra smile? By the way, Marco, may tanong ako sa'yo.
Yes, ano yun, ma'am?
Narinig mo na yung leveraging?
Hindi pa po. Ano po yun, ma'am?
Asset building program namin to Kaya lang busy ka. So, yun. Hindi tayo pwede dyan. So, yun. Ito yung calling card ko. Nandyan yung name tsaka contact number ko. Meron ka bang calling card?
Sorry po, ma'am. Sales clerk lang po ako. Wala akong calling card.
Ayan, no? Okay lang yan. So, makuha ko lang yung number mo. So, yung calling card ko kasi nasa yan, may Facebook page dyan, no? So, makikita mo rin dyan yung namin, Facebook page namin. So, anong number mo? Sun ka or Globe?
Globe po, ma'am. Ito po.
Ayan, 0917. Yun, nakuha ko na yung number, no? So, yun, no, ang importante talaga dito, 'di ba? Meron akong topic, nandun yun sa Business Owners Pro, how to say yes, no? May mga principles doon. Tapos isa doon sa principle is principle of reciprocity. So, yun, no, magbibigay talaga yan ng number kasi ako nagbibigay ng calling card. No? So, importante talaga yung calling card para may principle of reciprocity. No? So, proven na yan, no? Yung reciprocity. Pwede mo review yung mga doon, mga principles doon. Okay? So, yan, may name na ako tsaka contact number. No? Maganda yan, no? Yung nagbibili ka. Kung nagpupunta ka ng mall, yan, pwede to sa prospecting. Okay? So, questions so far, Marco?
No question so far.
So may na ako, name tsaka contact number. So successful ako sa prospecting. Okay, so na tayo sa pangalawa na type of prospecting, itong waiting prospect. No? So dito natin ma-apply yung car wash mo. No? So dito, Marco, ang opening topic mo situational, no? Situational pa rin. Tapos at saka kasi waiting to, So yan, may malaking time pa kayo. So pwede rin isabay yung form, no? F, family. So O, occupation, saan ka connected, family, ilang taon na mga anak mo, or R, recreation or retirement. Pwede rin yan, retirement, no? And M, meaning kung saan ka pwede makaprovide ng solution sa mga possible na problems niya, no? So yan, no? Tapos yan, chika-chika lang yan. Then ang goal natin dito, yan, makapresent tayo kasi waiting, tapos makakuha ng name tsaka contact number. So, meron tayong script. So, yan, slide natin sa script natin. Pakibasa, Marco.
Okay, waiting prospect guides. You may present because the prospect is waiting. For plane, riding a bus, waiting to be called for a priority number, etc. Opening topic, situational, like, I noticed so many people today eating, praying, or the plane is late again, or what time is it, etc. Use form to start a new topic. Form, family, occupation, recreation, and meaning. If prospect asks your job or business, your reply is, I am a business owner. Your business, online distributorship of essential products. If the prospect does not ask your job or business, starts with, by the way, can I ask you a question? Yes, sure. Have you heard about leveraging? What is that? Since it's face-to-face and waiting prospects, present right away. You, here, I will show it to you. Get your presentation materials. After the
Next page.
presentation, to get the name and contact number, here is the script. To know more of this opportunity, here is a calling card with our Facebook page. What is your number so I can text you updates? Is it Sun or Globe? Goal, make the presentation, get the name and contact number after.
Okay, so yun, no? Dito, waiting prospect kasi, so marami kayong time. So ano tayo, di ba? Magpaka-rush ka. So yung scenario natin, this time, ikaw yung distributor. Ako yung prospect. No? So situational, then form. Okay. So ang goal mo, makapresent ka. Tapos makakuha ka ng name tsaka contact number. Okay. So ready? Ready ka na?
Yes.
Ready? Camera, action.
Okay, so nasa car wash tayo ngayon, di ba?
Yes,
Okay.
nasa car wash tayo. Magtatabi tayo kasi naghihintay tayo sa turn natin.
Okay. Sige. So, ang laki ng kotse mo ah. Ilang minutes ba yan, winawash? Siguro 1 hour yan, no?
Di ko alam eh. Di rin sa akin yan. Kaya nga malaki yan yung sa akin kasi BMW.
Oh, okay. Kala ko, sa'yo yung Innova yan, pero ang layo pala ng kotse mo. Ibang level, BMW.
Ano yun? BMW, Baktas Mintraswa. So actually yan, malaki nga. Tapos Cebu City tayo. Nahirapan nga ako eh, 'di ba? Traffic. So yun, no? Ayaw ko rin itong malaki. Sa'yo, ano ba yan? Ayun sa'yo. Bakit maliit? Parang nagkabaligtad yata tayo ah. Sa
Alam
papa mo ba yan?
Kasi nasa city driving dapat. Pero ba't malaki yung kotse mo? Ano ba yung trabaho mo? Or marami ka bang anak? Big family ba?
Mukha pa akong may asawa? Hindi.
Ang gandahan mo, of course, parang marami nga ata eh. Hindi, joke lang. Pero,
yan? Sa business namin, kasi karinderya, alam mo na, maraming ilagay dyan sa likod. Yun, dapat malaki talaga.
Okay.
Ikaw?
So, okay. Okay naman. Di ko masyado kailangan yung malaking kotse kasi online kasi yung business ko. So, simple lang. Laptop lang yung kailangan.
Anong klaseng business? Parang opposite yan sa akin ah. Kung anong sa laki mo, sa liit ng dadalhin mo, sa akin naman, dami. Ano yan? Online business? Naghanap din ako ng online business eh.
Okay. Baka ma-interested ka dito. It's an online distributorship of essential products.
Ano yan?
Actually, may guide ako dito kasi medyo visual.
Excuse me Marco. Yan, pag sinasabi na ano yan, anong online business yan? Yan, pakita ko sa'yo. Huwag mo nang marami pa na ganon, may guide. Diretso na talaga yan. Ha?
Okay.
Kasi face-to-face eh. Okay lang yun kung nasa phone. So, syempre, hindi ka talaga mag-present sa phone. Never. Pero face-to-face, i-present mo yan. Kasi makikita naman niya yung guide. Tapos, meron din kung, syempre, magdala tayo talaga ng product. So, ipakita natin. So, yun. Sige. Ano natin? Ulitin natin. Sige. So,
Muntik na yung
yan.
perfect. Muntik na.
Muntik
Unti na
na,
lang
of
yung
course, no? So, kaya
pero
lang parang naano ka, parang nasanay ka doon sa setting appointment over the phone. Tama yon sa setting appointment over the phone, hindi ka talaga mag-explain, no? Invitation is one thing, explanation is another thing. Dito, pag sinasabi, ano yan? Ayan, pag sinasabi na ano yan, present mo na. Mas maganda nga, may Kindle ka, no? Tapos kung millennial siya, ma-attract yun, no? Ay, ang ganda. Saan bibilhin yan? Amazon. Oh, lalo na pag sinasabi mong Amazon, big time to kasi Amazon. Okay, sige. Take two.
take
So,
two.
ikaw, bakit maliit yung kotse mo?
Kasi di ko kailangan ng mga inventory or mga ganon kasi online business yung ginawa ko.
Wow! Anong business mo?
Here, pakita ko sa'yo.
Yan. Di ba? Mas madali. Ipakita
Oo.
ka agad. Yun, no? Tapos, present ka na. So, naka-present ka, pero yung second, goal natin is to get the name and contact number. So, paano mo gawin yan?
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how
Nako,
interested are you?
hindi pa
Hindi pa?
yan.
Hindi pala. Okay. So ito pala yun.
Uh-uh.
So to know more of this opportunity, may calling card ako dito with our Facebook page and details. Pero ikaw, anong number mo? Sun ba or Globe para ma-text kita?
Sige. Pero mas maganda, kanina sinasabi mo rate 1 to 10. Yes, tama naman yon, no? Pero wala pa kasi tayo sa script niya yan eh. Ang sa atin muna, naka-present, tapos makakuha ka ng name at saka contact number. Mas maganda para ma-apply mo yung principle of reciprocity. Sabihin mo na, here's my calling card with my name and contact number. Tapos meron din dyan yung Facebook page namin. May calling card ka ba? Dapat maano siya, ma-awkward siya na sabihin niya, wala kasi akong calling card eh. Di ba? Para, yun, magbigay na lang ng number kasi by rule of reciprocity. Iano mo talaga. Sige. So, sige. Doon na lang banda na, hingi ka ng
Okay. Sige.
name tsaka contact number.
Okay, so to know more of this opportunity, ito yung calling card ko. May calling card ka ba din?
Sorry wala eh.
Okay. So pwede kunin ko na lang number mo. Ano ba yan? Sun or Globe?
Globe. O sige, sige, ito na lang. Ito yung See? 'Di ba? So, ano bang wala. So, yun, tama yun sinasabi mo. So, anong number mo? No? Sun or Globe, no? Pwede rin hindi mo sabihin yung, pwede ba kunin ko yung number mo? Pero buti na lang, dinagdagan mo na, ano ba yan, Sun or Globe? Ang pinaka-importante naman doon is the power of choice na Sun or Globe. Para doon ka talaga mag-stop doon sa power of choice na sun or globe. Kasi yun nga, call to action ang tawag dyan eh. No, talagang magbigay siya sa'yo ng choice. Kasi yun nga, call to action tawag dyan. Okay, so maganda na, naka-present ka. Okay, so next slide na tayo. Okay, tapos na sa role playing, door knocking tayo. Naka-try ka na ba ng door knocking?
Door knocking lang sa mga kaibigan.
Pero dito kasi, iba yung home visit sa door knocking ha. Kasi door knocking, hindi mo kilala. Pero yung surprise visit, mga friends mo yon. No? I know yung iba, ako nga, hindi ko rin na-try itong door knocking kasi na-GMD naman ako without trying ito. Pero effective din to si GMD June nga. No? Ito yung ginamit niya. No? At saka naging GMD siya in less than a year. No? 11 months nag-GMD siya. No, sa province, napaka-ano talaga to, napaka-powerful. So, kahit hindi ka nagdo-door knocking, pero kung may ano ka, yung sa ano natin, 90-day program, tapos kulang ka na lang isa, tapos nag-run ka for summa cum laude, of course, baka ma-force ka mag-door knocking. So, sa door knocking, tingnan mo lang para productive ka na may pintura yung bahay tsaka may bakod. Sure ako may 180 yan, no? So, yan, no? Baka hindi mo magamit to, pero dapat mo talaga yung lahat ng skills, malaman mo para maturo mo sa sa downline mo rin. Okay? So, ito, sino ba yung natin? Basahin muna natin yung yung guide dito sa door knocking.
Okay. So, since ako yung magbabasa, ikaw na lang yung magpe-present.
Sige, sige. Okay, deal.
Okay, so door knocking prospect guides. This is a bold and alternative approach. Number 1, introduce yourself as I am from Lifestyles Canada and bring Lifestyles bag or wear Lifestyles t-shirt or ID to identify yourself with the company. Hide the products, avoid using transparent bags. Opening topic, you. Good morning, ma'am. Do you know of anyone who is interested to listen to our advocacy? Notice that you are using third party, so it will not sound intimidating to the prospect. Prospect, what is your advocacy all about? You. It is about fighting body pollution. Have you heard about it? Prospect, no, what is that? You. I will show it to you. How many minutes can I possibly disturb you? 15 or 30 minutes? After the presentation, to get the name and contact number, here is the script. You. To know more of this opportunity, here is my calling card with our Facebook page. What is your number so I can text you updates? Is it Sun or Globe? Goal. Make the presentation, get the name and contact number after.
Okay, so yun, no? Pareho ng goal dati, no? Make the presentation and get the name and contact number. So ito, door knocking, no? So, yan, no? Sa door knocking, maganda kung meron tayong sling, ID sling, no? Pwede ka rin makabili diyan, no? Isabihin ko lang later kung saan ka bibili kasi it represents authority, no? 'Di ba? Sa how to say yes, no? Again, sa ko 'yan, topic ko 'yan, nasa Business Owners Pro. Pag naka ka talaga, they saw you as a person of authority, mas maniniwala sila. No? So yan, kung yung ID natin, tapos sabihin mo talaga na from Lifestyles Canada tayo, no? Tapos naka-wear tayo ng Lifestyles t-shirt, no? May ID tayo to represent our company, no? So okay. So dumadaan ako sa tapos nakita ko yung bahay mo na may pintura, tsaka may bakod, tsaka may aso din. Okay. So, excuse me, sir. Sir, pwede magtanong?
Yes. Ano yun, ma'am?
Meron ba kayong kakilala, sir, na gusto malaman yung advocacy namin?
Advocacy. Ano yung advocacy nyo?
It's all about fighting body pollution, sir. Narinig mo na to?
Hindi pa. Ano yan?
Sige, sir. 15 to 30 minutes lang. Pwede ka ba? 15 minutes or 30 minutes?
May linuluto pa ako eh. So, 15 minutes na lang. Meron
Sige.
pa ako.
Okay lang yan, sir, kasi pagkatapos sa luto mo, kami na rin yung kakain. Di okay lang. No, yan.
Wag na lang pala. Wala pala akong time.
So, nagka-present ka na, no? Sa importante dito, advocacy yung gamitin mo. Kasi lahat naman tayo, we want to be part of something bigger, no? Wag kang mag-topic ng about money or asset to a stranger. So, ano lang, no, advocacy, maganda tong advocacy. Tsaka, makikita mo, hindi ko inano sa kanya na siya yung iano ko prospect. Sabi ko lang, kung meron ka bang kakilala, kasi parang intimidating yan eh, pag siya yung pinoprospect mo and nobody, na gusto maging prospect. So, meron ka bang kakilala, sir, no, na gusto marinig yung advocacy namin? So, yun, no? So, naka-present ako sa iyo. Sige, sir, present ko iyo sa iyo to. Tapos, sir, to know more of this opportunity, this is my calling card with Facebook page namin. So, meron kang calling card, sir?
Wala akong calling card eh.
Sige, sir, okay lang yan, no? Bigyan mo lang ako ng number para ma-update kita. Ano ka, Sun or Globe?
Sun.
Yan. Di, naka-present ako, tsaka may number. So, yan, no? Successful ako in door knocking. So, yun lang, no? Very important din kasi itong door knocking, lalo na kung kulang ka na lang ng isa, no? Sa sa daily target mo. Okay? So, ano bang susunod dito? Wala kang question so far, Marco?
Clear naman lahat. Walang
Clear.
question.
Okay, tapos na tayo sa role playing. Ano na tayo? Referral prospect. So doon tayo sa slide sa referral prospect, no? Okay. So yan, no? Pwede mo basahin mo tong referral prospect guides.
Okay, referral prospect guides. Every after presentation or STP, please remember and always remember to ask for referrals. You, who among your friends are business-minded or burnt out with their jobs, physically challenged, or can't afford? Follow-up question. You, what is the best way to contact them? Get the name and contact number. Tip, referrals are very important, so we will have continuity in our list of people. Our prospects may not be our right market, but their referrals may lead us to the right market.
Okay, so Marco, powerful din to kasi na-leverage ka, no, sa right market ng prospect mo. Tapos kunti lang yung trabaho mo dito, just ask question, no? Kung sino ba dito kakilala nila na burn out sa work, may sakit, no? Tapos yung hindi naman lahat nagbibigay, pero by sorting out, meron talagang magbibigay, no? So, yan, no? Maganda to by simply asking question, madagdagan yung asset mo. Yung asset mo is your list of people kasi the bigger is your list, the bigger is your asset. No? Asset talaga yung list of people natin. Okay? So yan, no? Gagawin mo rin yan, no? Yung referral. Okay, so next na tayo. So far, Marco, clear ba sa'yo lahat yung prospecting? Napaka-importante talaga yung prospecting.
Clear talaga yung prospecting. Thank you for the lesson. Yung question ko lang regarding sa next na topic, itong presentation. Kasi may mga friends ako na gusto nila mag-business kaso lang di sila marunong magbenta or di sila marunong mag-present sa STP. Paano 'yun?
Oo nga, akala kasi natin benta-benta lang to, no? Actually, it's not selling but storyteller tayo dito. So, ang maganda dito kasi meron tayong mga tools, no? Babasahin lang talaga to yung natin, yung presentation natin. And as a matter of fact, Marco, you don't need to know anything when you begin. Kasi planchado na yung system natin, 'di ba? As we say na ma-master ang hard work has been done by your uplines here, na master na to. Tapos mas easier to learn than unlearn, no? Kaya nahirapan nga yung iba kasi meron na silang way paano mag-sell. So, yun, doon sila na-complicate tuloy yung system kasi meron na silang system na sa kanila. Kaya talaga, no, it's difficult if you make your own system. Aside from mag-trial and error ka kung nag-work ba yung system mo or not, wala ring duplication. No? So, dito Marco, napakasimple yung system natin, no? Kahit wala kang sales background, as long as you know how to read, no? Kasi ito basa lang talaga to plus your stories. We're not salesman but storyteller, no? So, kung may tanong, yun, doon mo i-elaborate. And if you cannot answer, yan, call upline, no? 'Di ba? Ang dali. As simple as reading the tool. So, basahin mo to Marco, yung next slide, kung ano yung presentation.
Okay, so presentation, show the plan or STP. This is the simplest skill because of our business plan. The presentation is as simple as reading it. STP for business prospect. Use the build your assets guide first, optional, followed by the business plan. STP for user prospect, product side of the business plan only. It's a must that when we present the opportunity, we must use the presentation tools. Why? Number one, it is where all the product benefits are presented. Remember, the value isn't measured in the cost, but in the benefits. And number two, this is a duplication business, which is the essence in network marketing. If your business is not duplicatable, you don't have a business, you have a job. Maybe you can sell our products without using our franchise tools because you have a sales background. But the magic is not finding your 6 people, but it happens when you teach each of the 6 to find their 6 people. Using such tools is the key in building your strong and stable network that will give you a strong and stable income.
Next slide.
So presentations show the plan STP continuation, the guides. Number one, just read the materials. Do not complicate. Facts tell, stories sell, KISS. Keep it super simple. Number two, keep attending Hope to learn more and be attentive during the 2-on-1 presentations. And number three, show the products after the presentation only. Number four, always be excited, positive, and feel good.
Yan. Di ba ang dali lang? Basa lang talaga. Do you think kaya mong gawin yan?
Kaya ko talaga kasi ang daming mga stories, especially doon sa Good Morning World. So pwede ba 'yun, borrowed stories?
Yes, lalo na pag wala ka pang story, 'di ba? Kung bago ka, kung healthy ka naman, so wala kang story 'yan, borrowed stories talaga 'yan. So madali lang tong KISS.
Yes, madali talaga 'yan. Keep it super
Marunong ka
simple.
bang mag-KISS, no? Keep it super simple, no? So
Marunong
yan,
ako
basa lang
yan.
talaga yan plus your stories. Kasi if you explain it like a doctor, yan, magpa-babysit yung mga downlines mo. So hindi ka na PNB, babysitter ka na. So yun, no? Madali lang. Madali lang ba?
Yes, madali lang.
Actually, yung ano talaga, presentation, yun ang pinakamadali sa 7 skills. Kasi may mga presentation materials tayo. No? Kaya siya madali. So, ano na tayo? Pang 4th skill na tayo. Ano ba yung 4th skill natin dyan? Closing. Yeah. Closing. So, may tanong ako sa iyo, Marco. Kumusta yung closing mo? Marami ba?
Di masyado kasi minsan parang inuulit ko lang na maganda siya at saka wala, hindi ko talaga ma-close ng maayos. Pero di ko alam noon dati na may process flow pala yun ng closing.
Pero paano ka mag-close? Before na mo to yung script natin. Paano ka ba mag-close?
Tinanong ko lang siya if gusto niya bumili ng Intra, 1 bottle, ganun.
Pagkatapos ng mag-present ka, yun lang gagawin mo. Bibili ka? Parang ganon?
Parang inuulit ko lang yung mga points hanggang napapagod na siya, bibili na lang.
Kasi napapagod na siya. Maganda rin yung style mo kaya lang hindi duplicatable, no? Kasi pagurin muna. Anyway, may flow tayo, no? So, meron tayong script, no? Kasi dapat talaga may script para ma-pass on. Kasi Marco, importante talaga dito duplication, no? Duplication is not what you do but what you duplicate, what you pass on. It's by teaching each the 6 to find their 6. Okay. So, dito Marco, ang gagawin natin yan, process flow, no? Start ka muna sa business closing script, no? Tapos niyan, may tanong kasi diyan sa business closing script. So, i-make sure nga 10 yung answer niya, tapos papiliin mo yan siya sa package, then i-ano mo yan sa capital mechanism form. Yun, no? Nasa flow naman yan, tapos product closing script. So, gagawin natin yan. Okay, so tapos na akong sa iyo Marco, nag-present. So, Marco, may tanong ka ba sa presentation ko?
Wala naman. Clear naman lahat.
So yun ang sabihin mo tanungin mo muna siya kung may tanong siya. So wala kang tanong ako, may tanong ako Marco.
Yes.
Rate 1 to 10, 1 is lowest, 10 is highest. Anong level of interest mo sa nakita mo?
6 lang.
Bakit hindi siya 10?
Wala pa akong budget sa 60 or 100,000. Limited budget lang ako.
Mahal ang product. Ibig mo sabihin?
Mm-mm.
Mahal ang product. Pero Marco, what if I tell you na because of this product, nawala yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko? Mahal pa rin ba yung product?
Well, wala naman akong allergic rhinitis, so mahal pa rin.
Pero Marco, paano yung bulsa mo? Healthy ba?
Yung bulsa ko?
Oo.
Hindi masyado. Wala nga akong budget eh. So, may
Malnourished.
bulsitis ako.
Malnourished yung bulsa mo. Pero what if sabihin ko sa'yo na because of this product, may swimming pool na yung bahay namin. Dati, kami, palipat-lipat yung bahay. Muntik na nga na foreclose. Mahal pa rin ba yung product?
Wow, kung yung 1,800 nakabili ng swimming pool, parang sulit yun.
Yeah, solid yan, di ba? So supposing hindi siya mahal, saan ka doon? Express or instant?
Siguro yung express.
Okay. So see, nakita mo kung anong rejection niya, objection niya, i-address mo. So meron naman yan sa page 42, ulit-ulit lang yung rejection mahal, ayaw ng asawa ko, no? Tapos wala akong time, wala akong pera, mga ganon. Nandyan lang yan sa page 42 sa overcoming objections. Tapos yun, iano mo talaga, what if hindi siya mahal? Ano ka doon, express or instant? What if may time ka? What if yung husband mo, okay lang ang business? Express or instant? The reason why napapiliin mo siya sa express or instant para mo siya, makaproceed kayo sa capital mechanism form. Kasi Marco, very important din yung capital mechanism form is the professional way of knowing the financial status of your prospect. Kasi nga, kung wala siyang pera talaga, parang ang hirap niyan, no? So, less yung time natin ibibigay dyan kasi hindi siya right market. So, dapat malaman natin yan by the capital mechanism form. So, yan. So, express ang gusto mo, Marco.
Yes.
Okay, so meron ako ipakita sa iyo capital mechanism form. I know marami ka sigurong mga resources paano mag-come up ng para express direct mo. So ipakita ko to, meron akong capital mechanism form para hindi ka na lang mag-isip, madali lang sa iyo to. So yan, ito yung capital mechanism form. So ibigay mo yung capital mechanism form, tapos sino mag-answer nito, mag-fill in? Ikaw ba or ako?
Tayo na lang para
Sige. Para mas
madali.
masaya. Okay. So yun, mag-fill up kayo ng capital mechanism form. Tapos, yun, no? Din, after the capital mechanism form, product closing ka na. So Marco, kasi yung business natin is product-driven business. Gagamit talaga tayo ng product. So our product is 3 months detox program. Why 3 months? Because first month is cleansing, second month is nourishing, third month is strengthening and rebuilding of your body system. So how would you like to start your detox program? 1 B ticket or 3 B tickets?
3 B tickets.
Wow, 3 B tickets. Kasi alam mo, maka-swimming pool to. So sa isa lang bottle, isang swimming pool. So 3 B tickets, 3 swimming pool.
Sana
so
all.
yun, no? So yun, ganun, no? Ganun ang flow, Marco. So after the presentation, tanungin mo muna siya kung may tanong ba siya. So kung wala siyang tanong or meron siyang tanong, sagutin mo yan. Tapos wala na siyang tanong, so ikaw na yung magtatanong. So rate 1 to 10 yung business closing natin. No? Tapos i-answer mo yung objection, nasa page 42. Tapos sabihin mo, what if hindi mahal sa'yo? Na supposing the answer is 10. Anong gusto mo doon? Express or instant? Yun, express. So yan, capital mechanism form na. I know, marami kang sources sa capital mo. So ipakita ko to para hindi ka na mahirapan mag-isip. So marami na kaming list dito. So sinong mag-ano dito? Mag-answer, mag-fill in. Ikaw or ako? So sabi mo, tayong dalawa na lang. So yun, nag-fill up na tayo. So yun, para mag-product closing ka, sabihin mo, kasi yung business natin, product-driven eh. No? So we have to use the product. So mag-product closing ka na. No, our product is 3 months detox program. So yun, no? So may tanong ka? Ganon lang yung process flow ng closing natin. At saka maganda to, siguro may teknika sa iyo, pero ito kasi scripted, may format, so mapass on natin para training sa natin, mga downlines natin. So may tanong ka so far?
Wala naman. What if 10 kaagad? Ano yung process nun?
Ayun, ano mo na yun, pakita mo na yung capital mechanism. So dito Marco, kasi maraming tanong ano ba unahin daw, business or product closing, no? So kung business minded 'yan, no, syempre, no, ang ano mo kasi na present kung business minded siya, na present mo kasi yung product tsaka business eh. So unahin mo talaga yung business closing bago product closing. Kasi if you close the product, no, if you close the business, by default na close mo rin yung product, no? So yun mas maganda business ang unahin mo. Kasi again by default na close mo na rin yung product. Tsaka maganda rin yun sa psychology. Nakita nila yung malaking capital or malaking figures, 'di ba? 103,000, 60,000, 'di ba? Tapos yung product natin, yun 1/8 na lang. So maliit na lang tingnan kasi nag-start ka sa 103,000. Make sense ba, Marco?
Yes, makes
Yes.
sense. Ganda nga eh.
Okay, so yun. Ito yung capital mechanism form natin. Nakita mo ba yung capital mechanism form? So yan ang capital mechanism form. Tapos ang sunod dyan, next slide is yan, no? See overcoming rejections on page 42. Yan, no? So marami tayong next slide. So understanding and overcoming rejections, marami yan, no? 20 yata yan, ipabalik-balik yan yung rejections. Pero huwag kayong matakot sa objection or rejection. Sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, the most rejected people in the world are the most successful people in the world. So rejections is the best teacher, no? So kaya gagaling ka talaga. Okay, so 'yun ang mga rejections. So tapos na tayo sa closing. So follow up na tayo, no? Nasa follow up na tayo. So dito, I know magaling ka sa closing, but alam mo Marco, it's not the whole formula para makabenta ka. No, ulitin ko ha kasi napaka-importante 'yon. No, it's not enough na nag-closing ka na makabenta ka agad. Kasi 50% of the formula lang 'yan. Kasi meron kang kailangang gawin para makabenta ka. Alam mo kung ano?
Itong follow-up.
Yes, 'yan ang follow-up. Kasi statistics says 80% of the sale are product of the 5th to 6th follow-up. So meaning kung hindi ka nag-follow up, wala kang 80% sale, no? So ano ka lang hanggang 20% sale ka lang, no? So ang laki talaga ng 80% sale. Kaya lang product siya ng 5th to 6th follow-up. Kaya sabi nila, follow-up is the fortune. No? So, karamihan naman magaling ka ba sa follow-up or meron ka bang anong mga 'yon aha moment? Bakit
Parang
kaya konti lang yung mo? Sabi mo kanina kasi nahirapan ka sa pag-close, no? Hindi ka masyadong nakabenta. So, anong aha moment mo ngayon?
yung aha moment ko would be number 1, may process flow pala, hindi lang yung dapat pagurin mo yung prospect until bibili siya. Pero yung second aha moment ko talaga is itong follow-up na dito pala yung fortune. Parang dito din ako kulang.
Yeah.
Kaya pala wala ako masyadong sales kasi hindi ako nagpa-follow up after the STP, walang call to action or follow-up.
Oo. Kaya nga fortune yan no? Kasi follow-up, doon talaga yung 80% of the sale na close. Ito yung kulang ng mga tao yung follow-up talaga. No? So, sige, workshop tayo dito kasi napaka-importante ito kasi akala nila after presentation, yung nga iba hindi na nag-closing. No? Tapos kung nag-closing man, hindi rin nag-follow up. Kaya kunti lang talaga yung nila, benta nila. So, basahin natin to Marco, yung follow-up na natin.
Follow-up. Business, page 33. After business plan presentation or closing, if not closed yet, set appointment after appointment using any of these tools in any order. Follow up the capital mechanism form during every meeting. These tools are the just alibis to follow up orders. So here.
Yeah, we have talaga 5 follow-up tools. Yung isa, ipalike mo sa Lifestyles Home-Based Business, meron tayong Asset Building Guide, tapos meron tayong Good Morning World, pa-member mo sa Good Morning World, tapos sa Hope natin, napakagandang follow-up tool yan, tapos all other events, i-follow up natin yan. So, para makuha natin yung 5 to 6 follow-up, may 5 or more than nga, kasi marami naman tayong events, para makukuha natin yung 80% of the sale. So, may 5 tools tayo. Okay, so next slide.
Okay, so follow-up business continuation. As they say, follow-up is the fortune. There's never a bad prospect, just the wrong time for the right prospect. So always follow up. If the orders are not closed yet, set appointment after appointment for follow-up. Most of the orders are the result of the 5 to 6 follow-ups. Use the follow-up tools below. Its sequence is in any order. Number 1, Facebook page. Number 2, asset building guide. And these are the scripts. We have so many testimony videos. I will be sending you some. You can also like our Facebook page, Lifestyles Home-Based Business. Then I will call you after. Sell out an appointment when to call. For asset building guide, we have here I have here the guide of Robert Kiyosaki on how to retire in 4 years and not in 40 years. This is our asset building program. Sell out an appointment. Number 3, Good Morning World. I am inviting you to our group, Good Morning World. We are like a family, which mission is to help people live better every day. You will find inspiring posts there that show how our members have helped a lot of people. Add them to this Facebook page. This is the top powerful tool on follow-ups since they will be notified every post made. The notification can serve as their reminder of the opportunity. Also, continue sharing your wins to the page for your visibility. Hope. So you will appreciate more of our opportunity. I am inviting you to our Hope, where there are so much people and stories that can inspire you more. Sell out this event. Number 5, all events. Promote all events. Sell these out hard. See promoting events, page 34. Note, follow up the capital mechanism during every meeting. These tools are just alibis to follow up orders. For follow up product, please use the care plan form on page 50.
Okay, so Marco, ang tandaan mo lang talaga dito, end appointment with another appointment. Ibig sabihin nun, so example, nag-present ka ng asset building, tapos na yung presentation mo doon sa asset building, sabihin mo, yung event natin next week ha, huwag mong kalimutan. So yan, end appointment with another appointment. Exposure after exposure lang talaga, no, para ma-close mo, no? So, yan, no? Importante 'to kasi marami talagang ito yung kulang, yung follow-up. Okay. So, yan. Number 7 na tayo. Unless meron kang question, may question ka so far?
No, walang questions.
Okay, so number 7 na tayo, 7 skill, the last skill, 7 skill. Promote events. Pakibasa, Marco.
Okay, 7, promote events, page 34. Number 1, lead by example. Number 2, paint the pictures. Be a promoter, not just an announcer. Number 3, don't buy your downline stories. Number 4, sell out its importance. Events create belief in the future. A third-party influence, generate excitement, the magic of this business, and the incubator of personal growth.
Okay, so yan, no? Ito, importante din to. Lahat naman importante. So, kasi lalo na kung brand new ka, kasi wala kang skills pa, wala ka pang story, yan, no? Yung mga prospect mo, isalang mo talaga yan sa mga events. Actually, ito yung paborito or sikreto ni GM Dinera nung nag-start pa siya. Yun, kaya malaki talaga yung network niya, no? Magaling siya mag-promote ng events. So number 1 dyan is lead by example. Siyempre, dapat kung sell out ka ng events, number 1, yung i-sell out mo, yung sarili mo, nandun ka talaga doon, no? Not just a lip service, but doing it talaga. Tapos, pangalawa is paint the pictures, no? Be a promoter, not just an announcer. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, like, ano bang favorite movie mo, Marco?
Favorite movie? Either Star Wars or Scarface.
Ayan, Scarface. Kasi, di ba, naalala mo, sinishare mo sa akin yung TV series, How I Met Your Mother. Ang galing mo, sinisell out mo talaga yon, colorful ka nagsalita doon, tapos yung mata mo, excited talaga. Yun, ang ending, nakapanood din doon sa TV series na yon. Kasi,
Yeah.
ang galing mong mag-promote. So, ganun din ito. Kung mag-promote ka, color din with action, with excitement. Ganun ka mag-sell out ng events dito, Marco. So, yan, no? Be a promoter, not just an announcer. Number 3, don't buy your downline stories, no? So, ano bang usual reply ng downlines mo if sabihin mo na, uy, mag-attend tayo sa RLT. Ano ba yung mga sagot nila?
Busy with work.
Or sabihin nilang, mahina ang signal, di ba? Mahina yung signal, walang time, 'di ba? 'Yun ang sabihin nila. Mga
Yeah.
na ano mo ba 'yan? Na meron
Parang
ka bang mga ganon?
sanay na ako ng mga ganon na reasons.
Ganon ang mga reason. So pag ganon ang mga reason nila, mahina yung signal, walang time. So pag downline na 'yan, of course sa prospect hindi pa, 'di ba? Pero pag downline na 'yan, tapos tough love sila, kaya importante talaga yung tough love or tender love. So ang reply mo diyan, anong mahina yung downline, mas hihina yung kita mo pag hindi ka mag-attend sa RLT. No, 'yan ang mga sagot mo diyan. So 'yan ang ibig sabihin ng don't buy your downline stories. Walang time. Wala talaga kasi ikaw lang yung nag-work, hindi ka leverage sa network mo. Sana ba yung commitment natin? Sana ba yung mga dream mo? Ano ba dito? Are you a starter or a finisher? So 'yun ang mga sabihin mo sa downline mo. So don't buy their stories, no? It's my way or the highway, para mga ganun. Okay? So very important kasi itong pag-promote ng events kasi events are the magic of this business. No? Kung wala ka pang magic, Marco, yun, kulang ka sa functions. Kasi sabi nila, the functions that you need are the functions that you miss. Okay. So ano na tayo? Tapos na tayo. So ano nga yung 7 skills? Malala mo pa ba?
The 7 skills. So we have prospecting, promoting events, closing, presenting STP, and yung other 3, ikaw dapat mag-present para happy tayo. Dapat equal effort.
Follow up. May follow up ka na ba? Actually, ano yan steps yan. Prospecting, tapos invitation, presentation, closing, follow up, game plan, interview, tsaka promote events. Dapat master mo yan as a PNB. Yun ang skills natin, Marco. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Kasi 7 skills yan, kasi 7 digit. Kanina, 4 lang yung na-remember, so 400,000 lang yan. Next time, is 7 skills mo yan para 7 digit. Okay, so ano na tayo? Various, no? Explain the following getting started checklist. Ano ba tong getting started checklist? So here, make an inventory of franchising tools and training. So yan, no? Alam mo, kahit isa lang kulang dyan, ito kasi yung checklist natin na naka-franchise talaga yung business mo. Kasi kahit isa lang yung kulang mo dyan, wala ka na sa system. Kasi parang pag-bake ng cake, kahit isang kulang lang yung ingredient mo, hindi na masarap yung cake mo, hindi na mabubuo yung cake mo, no? So yun, importante to. So iyan mo to. Meron tayong checklist dyan. So, titingnan mo yan. Kasama yan sa franchising kit natin. Titingnan mo yan kung kumpleto ka. Okay, so number 2 na tayo. Ano ba yung number 2 dyan? The road to financial freedom. So, kung may mga pages dito, ibig sabihin, nasa yan, manual natin. So, dapat, kasi 4 yung major tools natin no? Manual, Jumpstart Aid, Asset Building Guide, tsaka business plan. Nakikita ko kasi parang business plan lang yung mga binili nila, no? Tinatanong ko doon sa Apple Tree kung ano ba yung binibili. So, ano lang, business plan. Ibig sabihin nun, presentation lang hanggang finding 6 lang. So, hindi yun ang business, no? The meat of the business, the leverage, the passive income is when you can train each of the 6 to find their 6. And you need training materials, which is the Jumpstart, at saka asset building guide, saka manual. Okay. So, dito Marco, itong road to financial freedom, maganda talaga tong business natin. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi ano to asset building program talaga natin. Whole package tayo. Just like me, nung nag-start ako, wala akong pera, no? Wala akong skills. So ang ginawa ng lifestyles, nag-encourage sila na mag-borrow ako ng money. So when I had the money, I was taught how to do the business. So nung nagka-business na ako, yun, no? Nag-invest na ako. So yan, no? Maganda. From zero to something, no? From nothing to something. So whole package talaga yan. So yan, no? Titingnan natin to. Next slide. Paano ba yan? The road to financial freedom, no? Your 4 steps to become financially free. So basahin mo yan, Marco, yung ano natin, road to financial freedom.
Okay, so the first one, number 1, increase your income by A, doing lifestyles business. Invest in number 1, products. Number 2, training. Number 3, car. Number 4, save 3 to 6 months emergency fund for peace of mind, etc. Letter B is delayed gratification. Delay buying nice and useless things like number 1, flashy cars. Number 2, expensive shoes, bag, jewelries, etc. Number 3, lavish dining. Number 4, extravagant travels, etc. Okay, so next is pay liabilities. Start those with the highest interest. Number 3, invest in assets and earn passive income. Number 4, let passive income buy your dreams. And lastly, you are financially free.
Wow, so see, meron talagang program, no? Meron talagang steps how to become financially free, no? Hindi lang trial and error. Ang ganda, 'di ba? So ikaw, meron na bang nagbibigay sa iyo ng asset building program how to be financially free?
Yes, sobrang ganda nga niya yung nagbigay ng program ko. I think yung pangalan niya si Eva.
Hindi, before that, no? So, meron na bang nagbibigay sa'yo before knowing lifestyles?
Before that, wala.
Wala, di ba? So, dito, ang galing. From walang pera hanggang maging investor ka. Ang ganda talaga. Tsaka hindi siya trial and error kasi may steps, no? So, yan, Marco, ano nga yung dream mo? Pinaka-dream mo?
My dream is to have enough capital to make my own 10-door apartment.
Magkano nga yung rent per door?
Per door, 50,000 para 500,000 in 1 month.
Wow, ang galing talaga. Tapos meron akong tip dyan para dadami yan.
Yes, ano yun?
Ibigay mo yan sa mami mo. Dadami yan. No? Actually, Marco, ano? Nasabi mo?
Parang mali ata yun na tip.
So yun, no? At ito, Marco, yung plano mo, it does not happen by accident. Meron ka talagang plan. Di ba sabi ni Jim Rohn, if you fail to plan, what you're doing is you are planning to fail. So dito may plan, may program tayo. Tapos Marco, 'di ba sinasabi diyan ang first muna, increase your income by doing lifestyle business. So yes, congratulations, tama yung ginawa mo, nag-lifestyle business ka kasi dito may leveraging. So hindi lang mayaman ka dito kundi super yaman dahil sa leverage. Tapos delayed gratification, yung mga nice and useless, wag mo na yan habang building asset. Ano yung number 2? Number 2 is
pay liabilities.
Yeah, bayad muna ng utang kasi most likely mas malaki yung interest mo diyan kaysa return mo sa assets. Tapos sa third,
invest in assets and earn passive income.
Yan, mag-invest ka na ng asset doon, no? Kasi wala ka nang babayaran na liabilities. Yun, ito yung asset mo, yung 10-door apartment, no? Tapos 50,000 each, so 500,000. Number 4, anong number 4?
Let passive income buy your dreams.
Yeah, tapos yan, sa number 4 ka na, pwede ka na bibili ng nice and useless things. Ano bang mga nice and useless things mo, Marco?
Siguro mga watches,
Ayan,
car,
watches talaga. Car. Anong paborito mo yung car? Kasi naman dito pwede ka ng galante, no? Kasi yun nga, hindi naman asset yung nawawala, no? Or kinukunan mo ng pambili, kundi passive income, no? Hindi mismo yung asset. So okay lang 'yan. Sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, unless you can afford paying that from your passive income, hindi pa yan pwede bibilhin. The only time that you can afford such luxurious things is when that money is coming from the passive income. So yan, no? Pwede na magastador, no? Kasi passive income na yan, no? Okay. So yan, no? Ano na tayo? Next na tayo. Ano ka ba? Excited ka ba dito sa paborito nito ni GMD June Igot, yung The Road to Financial Freedom, kasi nakikita talaga niya, no, na financially free tayo dito. Okay, ano na tayo? Letter B. Ano bang letter B diyan?
Describe the use of startup training monitoring sheet, page 51.
O sige, next slide. So ito yung makikita mo, importante din to Marco, kailangan mo talaga para mas productive ang time mo. Bakit maging productive yung time mo? Kasi dito, you only work with the willing. Dito mo kasi makikita sa monitoring sheet na to na dito ma-identify kung sino yung willing, motivated, or core. So yan, no? Kung may mga ano siya, list of people siya, list of dreams siya, no? Sa startup training, meron siya. So yan, teachable yan, on track yan. So mag-spend ka ng time dyan kasi ready yan. So very important to yung training monitoring sheet, no? My distributor start. Okay, so ano na tayo? Letter C na tayo. Ano ba yung letter C dyan?
Introduce the basic counseling guide, page 48.
Yan, powerful din to. So next slide. So ito yung basic counseling guide. So pakibasa nga, we need to do, ano yan? So basahin mo.
The basic counseling guide. We need to do counseling once a month to our motivated downlines. Counseling is the mastery. Use this guide to align all the fieldwork to the system. Counseling is nurturing, sustaining, and strengthening our organization.
Yeah, di ba? Ano yung sabi? Counseling is the mastery. Kasi hindi pa naman natin nakuha agad yung system, di ba? So, ito yung ultimate checking natin. Yung score mo sa system. Kasi anything that is not measurable does not exist. Kasi yun nga, master ako sa system. Pero ano ba yung score mo sa system? So, dito mo makikita yung score mo, makalculate mo yung score mo sa system. No? Tapos, dapat 100% yung score mo dito. Kasi nga, duplication to. Kasi kung bagsak ka dito, yung duplication din, bagsak din. Tapos yung organization mo, hindi siya structured, hindi siya strong, no? So kahit electric fan lang ng hangin, baka maano na yan, ma-destroy na yung organization mo kasi hindi siya strengthened by the system. So make sure before ka ma-duplicate, tama yung ginawa mo kasi nga yun ang ma-duplicate. Okay, so dito malaman yung score mo sa duplication system. Okay, so summary na tayo. So basahin mo nga. Ito yung answer sa question ko kanina, no? The 7 skills of PNB. Ikaw magbasa niyan kasi hindi mo pa memorize yan.
Then memorize ko yung jumpstart add-on na 4. Pero yung basic, nakalimutan na. Pero dapat hindi ganun.
Hindi, yes.
Okay, so summary, the 7 skills of a PNB. Number 1, prospecting. Number 2, making appointment. A, set appointment. B, surprise visit. Number 3, presentation. Number 4, closing. Number 5, following up. A, product. B, business. Number 6, game plan interview. And 7, promote events.
Yan, no? Skills yan. Kasi to Marco, this is a profession talaga. A career, no? A 3 to 5 year career plan that is giving you total freedom. But merong catch dito. Alam mo ba kung anong catch dito?
Ano yun?
Akala mo walang catch, no? So, merong total freedom, pero ang catch dito, Marco, is ito. You must accept temporary loss of your self-esteem from ignorant people. Yun lang talaga, no? Kasi bakit sila ignorant? Kasi in our society, hindi naman kasalanan nila actually, no? Yung ano lang nila, yung level of consciousness lang nila. Kasi nasa, ano pa sila, yung mindset nila, nasa paying bills pa sila. And tayo naman, we're talking about our dreams. So, syempre, hindi talaga tayo na intindihan nila. Sila, ano pa sila, doctors or medications, no? When they get sick. Tayo naman, we talk about prevention, not strengthening our immune system. Kaya hindi talaga tayo maintindihan. So ano pa sila taking orders of their boss. Tayo naman, we talk about firing our boss. So yun, no? Hindi tayo maintindihan. Pero let's not be offended. Ganun lang talaga sila. Kaya lang, mas advanced tayo kasi sila nasa encyclopedia age pa sila. Tapos tayo nasa Google na tayo, no? Nasa typewriter pa sila. Tapos tayo nasa laptop na, no? Tapos sila Telegram pa sila, tayo email na tayo. So kasi ngayon with the things changing, no? Na talaga napaka-risky na kung ang dependent ka lang sa company mo or sa job mo, no? Ang dami na with the internet age, digital, ang dami ng mga opportunities sa labas na pwede kang ma-leverage without having millions. So, kaya lang hindi sila open-minded. Pero, doon din ang punta nila, no? Nauna lang tayo. So, as of now na itong level na to, pag pinipresent natin, doon pa sila sa yung nila, hindi pa close-minded pa sila dyan. So, yun, next lang tayo hanggang makakita din tayo na pareho sa atin. Okay? So, okay ba yan, Marco? Meron
Yes.
bang sense? Make sense ba ang sinasabi ko?
Of course. Okay,
Yes.
okay na okay.
Yes. Okay, next slide tayo. Marco, may tanong ako. May girlfriend ka na ba? Assume mo lang ha na hindi mami yung nagtatanong sa'yo.
Yes, meron na. Bakit?
Kasi may introduce ako sa'yo eh. Baka may magselos.
Sino yan?
Si Lisa.
Si
Kilala mo
Lisa.
si Lisa?
Nakasabi dito, your partner to GMD Journey. Siya ba
Yeah,
si Lisa?
yeah, friend mo yan. Kasi kung natutulog mo yung upline mo, siya, available siya 24/7. No? So, ipakilala ko sa'yo si Lisa. Si Elle, yan, laugh out loud. Kung na-rejected ka, yun, no? Just take it as a humor. Kasi sorting business tayo, di ba? Professional sorter tayo eh. No? Siguro kung amateur ka, more on emotions ka, nasasaktan ka talaga. No? Pero kung professional ka, sabi mo naman, professional ka or you want to be a professional, then dito, sorting lang to. No, kung yun nga, hindi naman tayo magagalit kung hindi sila kumakain sa restaurant natin kasi iba yung taste nila sa restaurant. Gusto kasi nila Filipino. So Chinese tayo yung natin, restaurant natin, kaya sila hindi kumakain sa restaurant natin. So next lang talaga yan. Iba-iba talaga yung tao, no? So yan, laugh out loud lang. Tapos ignite. So how do you ignite? By hitting daily target lang talaga. 90-day program, pabalik-balik yan. No? Wala ka talagang ignition. No? Hindi ka talaga ma-ignite pag walang 90-day program. Tapos S, to sustain kasi persistency talaga to. No? So dapat mag-attend ka ng events, functions to sustain your excitement. No? Tapos A, automate it with the system. Yan si Lisa. No? So, do you think magustuhan mo si Lisa?
Of course, partner ko kasi to GMD Journey eh.
Yeah, kasi kung wala kang partner, nag-iisa ka, mahirapan ka talaga. Kasi dito, Marco, you should have fun doing this. If you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. Yan, kasama mo si Lisa. Okay, so maganda. Nandyan si Lisa. So yan, next slide tayo. Uy, tapos na tayo. Jumpstart add-on. No? So, yan, next step. Ang pinaka-next step dito, pabalik-balik to. No? So siguro dapat by this time, no, ginawa mo na to, no, pocket monitor. Are you doing it ba? Ikaw, Marco, ginawa mo ba to, yung pocket monitor?
Nasa gilid ng bed ko siya.
Okay, maganda yan. Bedmate mo pala yan, no? Kasi if you're not doing this, either you're a poser or an amateur. No? So be a professional talaga. Start your 90-day program now. Ha? Not tomorrow, but now. No, there's no other way to do it but this 90-day program for your momentum. Okay?
Yes, okay.
So we are done na. So far, ano bang best takeaway mo?
Best takeaway ko would be the product closing flow and the follow-up.
Hindi lang yung product closing flow, it's a closing talaga. That will start with the business closing. Tapos, yun, papiliin mo, no?
Express or
Express or
instant.
instant, capital mechanism, tapos product closing. So, yun. Ano pa?
yung follow-up tools.
Yeah,
Sobrang
follow-up tools
powerful.
talaga. Very important yun. Kasi yun talaga ang nakalimutan sa iba. Kaya nahirapan talaga sila makabenta. Okay, so yun, no? We are done. So I hope, thank you Marco for joining with me for this training. And I hope this training is giving you more confidence and to all our distributors to build their network. And together, let's build our assets and never have to work again. God bless us all.